Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss summer most essential things. So first, umbrella for outdoor. Scarf. Prevent from suntan. Face pack. Helps to remove dust easily. Creme for daily use. Glows skin and secure from dust. Pond's powder. Best for daily routine. Curd helps to maintain glow of your body. Green tea helps to lose weight as well as increase glow of body. Hand gloves prevent hands to burn. Aloe vera face wash. Sunglasses important for summer. Use cotton handkerchiefs. Giloxal maintains pH level. Multani meaty face pack apply at least 2 times in a week. Drink more water. Use light color cloths to Vitamic E capsule. Light Care best brand. Honey very nice for body in summer. Milk butter apply on your skin. Aloe vera sheet mask